And the show is Africa Daily, and we are about to get on to the next bit on the Africa Daily show where we celebrate excellence, and that is African champions.
African champions. African champions. African champions. African champions.
Juka Fatou Darboe from the Gambia is our African champion.
You be champion!
Fatou Juka Darboe is a mechanical and electronics engineer and the director and co-owner of the Make3D Company Limited. Now, the first 3D printing company in the Gambia. I was amazed when I saw that the first time. I was like, wow, then she must be a lucky one, to identify a space that is missing totally and to bring it into existence. That's huge. So that is actually it. The first 3D printing company in Gambia, founded by a lady, woman power. Now, her target markets are the sectors of health, education, and general manufacturing. Now, Juka Fatou Darboe identified areas where Make 3D medical devices can be used as an alternative surgery and where they can be used to modify existing devices to make them more culturally acceptable, more physician and patient friendly, and better suited to local climates than plaster of Paris. That is POP. Now, after meeting her co-founder in the Gambia 2 years ago, their interest in technology and 3D printing brought them together to form Make3D Company Limited, out of which Make3D Medical was born. So this is to support enhanced surgery and generally, anything that has to do with dispensation by medical practitioners at a hospital. Now, their company designs and produces cost-effective medical equipment to treat fractures such as braces, splints, connectors, and spare parts for medical devices. Now, Juka and her team not only develop finished components and medical products that help doctors provide high-quality care without delays caused by importing and customs, they also teach medical professionals to make their own products. Now, the company's capacity building packages include Make3D medical hardware and software, training for staff, raw materials, and access to a central database of verified 3D designs. Now, this allows hospitals and clinics to respond to needs in real time. Yeah. Now, if equipment breaks down, there's always a solution, there's always a way out, easy way out. Components can be printed when patients need structural supports like splints and braces. Now, they can be custom made. In 2020, Make3D Medical developed more than 220 3D printable devices in cooperation with various partners, including inhaler spaces, humeral braces, and YC connectors. So, well, these are all scientific terminologies, or in terms of medicine and what the hospital, practitioners use and all of that. So, to date, it has manufactured more than 1,000 elements for the medical industry in the Gambia. That's very commendable. That's one of the sectors that most people, are keenly interested in its growth when it comes to development in general. You look at education, you look at agriculture, and then health. Like, it's really, really, really important. It forms, part of the core elements to, a nation's development. So for her to be the pace setter or the pioneer in bringing such, a program, or to actually be the one to bring out this company to support, this sector of the health industry, I think is really, really commendable. Now, she is a runner-up of the 2021 Africa Prize for Engineering Innovation. Fatou Juka Darboe won 10,000 euros for Make 3D Medical. That's for starters, at least. Something was made out of, well, nothing, I would say. So congratulations, Fatu, and keep up the good work. I mean, may your company soar higher, and do bigger things because it doesn't stop there. You're looking at the whole of the Gambia, so you should be able, you should get to that stage where your capacity in terms of producing, training, engulfs not just Gambia but the whole of Africa as well. So you are definitely an African champion.
You are an African champion.